Hi guys, this is Frank. Today I invite our client to visit our warehouse. The warehouse we have a room for the intercoolers. Fupower developed a lot of intercoolers for car performance and motorcycle, even jet ski. For car like they will make BMW, Fupower, GM, and Nissan, and Mitsubishi, and Toyota, Honda. Fupower have our own workshop to fabrication the intercoolers. We outsource the case the air intakes outside. Then we make the welding the air intake to the intercooler core. We have seen in our own house and a 3D scanner and 3D printer to develop your new projects. So if you want to make custom some intercoolers, you can send up drawing or sample. We support your prototype and big wholesale orders. If you have any question, please leave your message to me. Thank you guys.